Back when our Prophet ﷺ started calling people to Islam in Mecca, one of the ways the Quraysh countered his da'wah, countered his calling people to Islam, was to post poets and announcers on the outskirts of Mecca. As we all know, Mecca was a city where people came from far and wide to do their pilgrimage, to trade. It was an economic hub. And so before people would enter the city, they would post people outside the outskirts of Mecca, and as they were entering, the poets would say, the announcers would say, "Welcome to Mecca, welcome to all of the things we have to offer, all the amazing things Mecca has to offer. Oh, and by the way, watch out, we have a little bit of a problem. His name's Muhammad. He's going around saying some things, don't listen to him, and he's this and he's that," and they would speak bad about his character. It's like olden day billboards on the outskirts of the city, announcing that be careful of this man Muhammad. So before people are even entering the city, they already have a bad or skewed opinion of the Prophet ﷺ. So this elderly lady was one day walking into Mecca, coming into Mecca, and she heard these announcements, and she heard these poets. And she's entering into the city of Mecca, and she has a load with her. She's carrying a load with her. And our Prophet ﷺ is also entering from somewhere and coming. And he sees this elderly lady walking with her load. And so, what does he do? Our beloved Prophet ﷺ goes up to her and he offers to help her with her bags. He offers to help her with her load. And so, she graciously takes up his offer. And so, he starts carrying her load for her and walking her to her destination inside the city. And she says to the Prophet ﷺ, she says, "You know, thank you for helping me as we walk along this road together. The only thing I ask is that you don't ask me or talk to me about this man Muhammad. As we enter the city, don't talk to me about this man Muhammad." She doesn't know she's in the company of Rasulullah ﷺ. She doesn't know who she's talking to. That interaction hasn't been made yet. That connection has not been made yet. And so she says, "You know, as we're walking, just don't talk to me about Muhammad. That's my only ask of you." And so they continue walking. And then she continues talking. She's like, "You know, this man Muhammad, he really seems to be a problem. He's upending the social order. He's turning people away from the idols. He's giving poor their rights. He's freeing slaves. Look at all of these problematic things he's doing. Don't talk to me about this man Muhammad." And they keep walking. And then she again, "Isn't it so problematic how the youth are being empowered because of this man Muhammad?" And they keep walking. And then finally, they get to their destination. And she says, "Thank you. You've been so kind. You've been so kind on this journey. Young man, I didn't catch your name. What is your name?" And he says, "My name is Muhammad." She doesn't know what to say. So she says, "Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadur Rasulullah."
This is a true story, and it may upset some of you, but that's too bad. It would be such a pleasure to have you come along with me. I accept your gracious offer of kindness and company. But as we walk along, young man, and as you help me with my load, I have only one request. As we travel down this road, don't talk to me about Muhammad. Because of him there is no peace and I have trouble in my mind. So don't talk to me about Muhammad. And as we walk along together, we will get along just fine. That man upsets me so, far much more than you could know. I hear of his name and reputation everywhere I go. Though his family and his clan once knew him as an honest man, he's dividing everyone with his claim that God is one. So don't talk to me about Muhammad. Because of him there is no peace and I have trouble in my mind. So don't talk to me about Muhammad. And as we walk along together, we will get along just fine. He's misled all the weak ones and the poor ones and the slaves. They think all found wealth and freedom following his ways. He's corrupted all the youth of truth, convince them that they all are strong, giving them somewhere to belong. So don't talk to me about Muhammad. Because of him there is no peace and I have trouble in my mind. So don't talk to me about Muhammad. As we walk along together, we will get along just fine. Now before we part and go, if it's alright just the same, may I ask my dear young man, who are you, what's your name? Forgive me, what was that? Your words weren't very clear. My ears are getting old, sometimes it's difficult to hear. It's truly rather funny, but I'm sure I must be wrong, 'cause I thought I heard you said your name is Muhammad. Muhammad. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadur Rasulullah. Oh, talk to me, Muhammad. Because of you I now have peace and you have eased my troubled mind. Oh, talk to me, Muhammad. As I travel down life's road, I will get along just fine. As I travel down life's road, I will get along just fine. Give your neighbors a chance, all right? We don't like when people point fingers at us. So remember, we're all on this planet together. Let's work together. Peace be with you. Assalamu alaikum.